Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing a clear baseline. Open your monitoring tool and log GPU temperature, clock speeds, and power draw. Update the driver and OS now so software anomalies are removed. Once done, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and verify power settings and PCIe lane configuration. Make sure the GPU power cables are fully seated and the PSU can deliver rated wattage. This reduces variables before you change cooling, fan curves, or power limits. You need accurate before and after data to know if throttling is solved. Next, address heat and thermal throttling directly. Open the vendor utility and set a steeper fan curve so fans ramp earlier. You will accept more noise for consistent clocks. Then raise the GPU power limit by a modest amount, 5 to 15%, and run a stress test while watching temps and clocks. Make incremental changes, not big jumps. Meanwhile, improve case airflow, add or reposition fans, tidy cables, and ensure unobstructed intake and exhaust to lower ambient temperatures and prevent repeated throttling cycles. Finish by optimizing stability. If temperatures still cause throttling, consider a safe undervolt to reduce power draw without sacrificing much performance or slightly reduce boost clocks. Make sure to test changes with multiple benchmarks and drivers to isolate drive-related issues. Swapping stress tools helps avoid false positives. If temps remain unusually high, inspect thermal pads and GPU paste, reseat the cooler, and only then pursue warranty service or RMA for suspected hardware faults. If problems persist, revert changes and document your tests for tech support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.